So
And
I
I
just
started recording on this too. Oh, that looks cool.
yeah. So this is my other hoodie. This hoodie is a plush. You know, it's like fluffy, like a toy. So I wasn't sure how I can scan, but you know, the big shape, I think it's working. I have to do the top of the head. I have just a little hole,
Right.
and usually the arm a little hard. But with the hand, you know, it's aligned much better than my first scan. Not everything good, but overall the shape I think I like.
Right.
I don't have the fusion now. I did earlier, but I did more scans.
Well,
So
that
just
that looks pretty good.
yeah.
That is that is
So
really good.
yeah, so it's a longer hoodie, a light gray color, but it's like a fluffy, like a hair.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's different. Not everything nice, but the shape
Cool.
I think it's good.
Okay. That's really looking good.